Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ivan Omayuda from 5BD. I would like to presentation about data analysis in research methodology meeting 9. Okay, for the first presentation is about uh, definition and purpose of data analysis. What is a data analysis? Data analysis is an effort or way to process data into information so that the characteristic of the data can be understood and are useful for solving problems, especially problems related to researcher. For the another definition of data analysis is a activities that carry out to convert the data from research into information that can be used in a drawing conclusion. For the purpose of data analysis is to describe the data so that it can be understood. Then to make conclusion or draw a conclusion about the characteristic of the population based on the data obtained from the sample. Usually this is made based on estimation and hypothesis testing. For the second subtopic is about data analysis steps. The step in the data analysis include the following. Uh, First, data collecting stage. This is first stage of the data analysis activities. And second is the second is a editing stage. This which mean is to check the clarity and completeness of filling out of the data collection. Third is the coding stage, which mean to identification process or classification uh, of each statement contained in the data collection. Then fourth, the tabulation stage, which mean info recording or or entry entry the data into the master table. Uh, Five, describing the data stage, which mean presenting in the form of frequency uh, table or diagram and and various size of central tendency, and also this special measure with the aims of understanding the characteristic of the sample data. And the last is a hypothesis testing stage, which mean this stage is testing a proportion whether it is rejected or accepted and has meaning or not on the basis of this hypothesis based this hypothesis. Yeah. For the for the third is a difference between qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative and quantitative, they are types or kinds of the data analysis in research. For definition about qualitative, it is this is a method using uh, interview and observation by answering questions like what, why, or how, and also analyzed by this method in the form of the text or narrative. For the quantitative, this method can be depend on the ability to calculate data accurately, and also require the ability to interpret complex data. Uh, for the for the this is a example of qualitative data, like examine the impact of the behavior of throwing garbage into river, and this research is classified as qualitative because it discusses object descriptively and analytically, like uh, like for the research of about uh, throwing garbage. This is can be formed into factors like cause people to this cause people to dispose of waste garbage into the river, how impact behavior on the balance of the river ecosystem, or disaster due to garbage and any else. For the example of quantitative data is about discuss the average height of volleyball players in Indonesia, and this study make use of quantitative data because it is height being studied a variable that can be measured. Uh, it, but it but for the result of this study, it can be used uh, can take male or female player uh, can take male or female volleyball player, what age range, yeah, but depending on the focus of the research. uh, uh, to to corroborate the evidence for the difference between qualitative and quantitative. This is another example uh, to easier the sentence the sentence that states about the color, like below. This is a qualitative. Meanwhile, the sentence that describe about uh, the about amount or the percentage, this is a quantitative. Uh, uh. So this is a qualitative research data analysis method. According to Bogdan and Biklen, qualitative data analysis is done by organizing the data, selecting it into units that can be analyzed, finding important things, and deciding what part to share with others. Meanwhile, according to Janice McDurry, the stage of qualitative data analysis, um, among others, are as follows. First, reading and studying the data. Second, study keyword and trying to find terms and collected data. Third, write down the theme or model found. Fourth, make coding of the data. So this is a four component about analysis model in qualitative. This is like first is a data collection. Second is data reduction and categorization. Third, data display, and fourth, withdrawing conclusion. This is a explanation about all of them. So I want to so I don't want to explanation about them. This is a quantitative process data analysis method. This is are done manually, which mean has been collected is which mean the data that has been collected is calculated using statistical formulas, and also the the data analysis technique in quantitative research can be carried out using special software for data analysis. It called SPSS, or Statistical Product and Service Solution. For the analyzing data, like manually or using software like SPSS, it goes through the following steps. First, data checking, editing. Second is code generation code generation or coding. Last, entering data or tabulation. For data checking or editing, this is a first step for about it. This is a process aimed to determine the feasibility of the data in order to continue the analysis of research data at a later stage. The editing is used to check respondent answer in the questionnaire, and through the editing stage, it is a hope that the researcher can be improved of the data to be processed and analyzed. For the second is a code generation or coding. This is a second step, and also is make to aim to sim is make to is make aims to simplify data by assigning a number or letter symbol to each other, and also coding show the process of the clarifying respondent answer based on the type of research that data that has been collected so that it can be scoring. And for the benefit to making coding is to make easier to researcher in the process of analyzing data and also store large amount of that data. For the third is tabulating data. This is the last steps the last step of analyzing. This is a last step of analyzing data. Tabulating is a process of entering data that has been grouped into easy to understand tables. Through the tabular, the field data appear more concise and can be read easily, and also to make it, and also this is a system for the recording score systemically is to make it easier for data observer to get an overview of the analysis, and also for the tabulating the data, the analysis can be done simply like looking for the total score, mean, median, or also mode. Okay, I think that's all for presentation. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.